Hi friends, so today we're going to do a side part bust down full glue install with this wig. Make sure you like the video, comment below, and let me know what you think about today's style, and let's get into it. Today I'm doing a complete install for you guys. We're going to do a full glue down. This video is going to go with next week's video, so make sure you pay attention to the install if you want to know all the information. Today's wig is going to be linked down in the description box. I'm not glued down a wig in a very long time, but I have some things that I need to do this week, and this is the style that I'm going to be wearing for a couple of days. I really like it. It's perfect for fall. It has that beautiful reddish highlight going through it. Not too orangey. It's more on that reddish tone. It has just a little bit of orange tones, but not too many. So yeah, today's style is glue down. I'm actually going to be using a glue that you guys requested, the Dola glue you guys requested a few weeks ago, because I did not get a chance to update you guys. I'm reinstalling again. Well, you can see how it turned out, but if you want to know like what it was actually like using it, this wig is a 370, so I'm using it completely around the lace. I'm going to drop all those details in today's video. So all the information for today's style will be linked below. We're also going to do a little bit of makeup. Fall is around the corner. This style is perfect for that. The makeup is great for it. So if you are looking for the full look, I'm giving it to you guys in today's video. Okay, I'm definitely giving you the full look. Make sure to like the video, comment below, tell me what your favorite technique was from today's video, and be sure to share the video. Let's get right into it. The wig I'm going to be installing today is best for versatility. This is a 370 lace wig, and I love it because you can part it deeper than a regular 360 wig. It also is coming with that pre-cut ear area, so you don't have to worry about cutting around the ear. They do it for you. And also it comes with combs and adjustable straps. Now this is one of the most versatile wigs you can wear if you want to glue it down outside of a full lace wig. So let's get into it. Now all of you should know that you're supposed to braid your hair underneath the wig if you want the most flattest install. Now I haven't glued down a wig in a while, and I feel like my best installs come when I glue down my wig because I really take the time and detail to do it. But I don't do it often because I feel like I don't want to lose a lot of my hairline, so I try to protect it. So this is what the hairline on this wig looked like. I haven't done anything to the hair. We're going to use the Dola lace glue for today. Now this glue is a really good glue. I tested it out a few weeks ago and I liked it. I'm going to prep my skin with rubbing alcohol. Now I do not recommend using rubbing alcohol every single time, okay, especially if you're taking your wig on and off. I'm doing this only because I have not glued my wig down in a long time. Once I have the glue on, I let it dry until it's clear, and then I went to press it, and when I tell you it grabbed that lace, oh my god, the grab on this is so very good. Once that glue was clear, that's when I applied the lace, and then I tied it down for at least 15 minutes or until I finish styling the hair. I'm going to add some oil all over the hair. Now this density is less than 150 to me. I have to be completely honest with you guys. So if you want it to be fuller, definitely go up in density, because I do feel like this is maybe 130-ish or so. And with this wig being a 370, you can get that really deep parting almost halfway the wig. Most of the ladies who actually have tried this wig really loves it, just like I do. So if you haven't tried it, don't knock it until you try it. It's a 370 wig. The 360 does not have this much space. Not to mention the lace is really good on this wig, and also with Pretty Luxe wigs altogether. So if you want customization, they can do it for you when it comes to the lace, the cap, the sizing, all of that good stuff. I like to say this every single time because you guys always say, well, what company have the customization? This is one company that I know for sure has customization, and probably one of few. So if you really are looking for a fully customized wig that you can put the details to it on what you want, definitely check out the link in the description box. But I'm just going to add some curls around the hair. I was going to roller set. I just didn't have time. I do want it to have a little bit more volume, so I added some layers around the front. And if you ever have a wig that's thinner and you just wanted to have a little bit more volume, make sure to add rollers or add layers to the hair, which will help it out. You guys, let me know in the comment section, do you like this color? Do you feel like it's perfect for fall? I know a lot of times people love the orange highlights, but this one is more on that reddish tone and very unique if you ask me. Actually let my hair sit a little bit longer and just went on and did my makeup, because I usually do my makeup first, but today I just like, if I'm installing a wig and I got somewhere to go, I might as well do my hair first and then do my makeup. That way everything just blends seamlessly. So all the products I'm using I'll show in today's video, but this is just a really quick look. I don't use a lot of makeup like I used to. For those who are used to my older videos, my looks are very simple now, very straight to the point, and that's it. Now once my makeup is set, I like to do my bronzer last after I remove, you know, the edge band. That way I can blend everything together. One thing about that glue is it did have a little bit of spots that was still like sticky. However, I noticed that it goes away over time once you start to wear it. And I put on way too much blush right there. Oh gosh, I'm very sensitive. When it comes to blush, I don't like too much. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop my lip color here because I know someone's gonna ask me. So screenshot those products if you wanna try them. But yeah, I think this look goes really well with the hairstyle. And I think everything just looks so good. I'm going to set my face and then also set my lips with a little bit of powder, which helps to take down some of the shine from that gloss. I mean, you can wear it as is if you want to. And if you need to touch some of that powder on your hairline because it's shiny, make sure you do that. I'm also going to go down to parting with some foundation and then just blend everything together. Now, when it comes to this part, you want to make sure if you want the most natural look, you actually shape out their hairline instead of wearing it out the box. Even though it's really good out the box, they really got good lace. As you can see, that lace is not visible at all. But I really want this to look like I went to a salon and got my hair done and just laid and slayed and all that good stuff. So I'm going all out with this install today. Now with this, after you set your hairline, you can tie it back down for a few more minutes just to make sure everything is flat, but I just didn't for today. I am using a lot of holding spray to make sure these curls hold. If you have a straight texture or if you have a light density texture, you want to use as much hairspray as you can if you want your curls to last throughout the day. And if you want it to last throughout the week, you can roller set it at night before you go to bed. That way you don't have to keep using heat throughout the week on the hair. But yeah, I like the way it turned out. This is a color I don't wear every day, but I love how it looks. It's so pretty for fall. The makeup, the hair, everything just went well. The lace is blending down to the T. And the wig is actually really comfortable. Okay, so I will be sure to put everything down in the description box. Be sure to check down there. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think about today's style, and share the video.